Panda Chinese.
Hey guys, welcome to Panda Chinese. This is everyday Chinese conversation, very down to earth, not in the textbook. Once you get it, 你牛了。Okay, guys, when you meet some friend on the street, what will you say? 你好，早上好。最近还好吗？吗 is commonly used at the end of a sentence, means this question. 忙吗？冷吗？吃了吗？ etc. 还是老样子，挺好的。还是老样子 means same old, just as usual. 还好，还行 means not bad. Another common way to ask you maybe is 最近忙吗？还行，瞎忙。So 瞎忙，瞎 its original meaning is blind. You can't see. But here it means you are busy with something not very important. So it's a modest way to express. Chinese is a logograph language. Each character may consist of several parts. As you will see later, each part of a character may also be a separate word with its own specific meaning. Most Chinese syllables are formed by an initial, a final, and a tone. For example, 滋微醉、基因静、喝哀还、喝凹好、摸妈。The consonant at the head of a syllable, such as 滋、鸡、喝、摸, is called the initial. The rest of the syllable is the final. 微、阴、哀、凹、啊。The different pitches that affect the meanings of characters are called tones. The Chinese has over 400 initial final combinations and more than 1,200 syllables, but it is not actually that complicated.
你好，
早上好，
最近还好吗？
还是老样子，挺好的。
滋 the initial, 微 the final, 滋微醉 initial final combination. 醉 so say this word. The top part of this character is an independent word, so meaning the sound, and the lower left side is a ear. 醉 means the extreme of degree as an adverb. It cannot be used by itself. Most often it is used together with an adjective, such as 好. These two characters make up a new phrase, and this word 最好 means the best. Ji, yin, jing. Jing means close to somebody or somewhere. 最近 means recently, lately. So say this word, 近. The left half looks like a road because it is related to walking or distance. Say the right half is a unit of weight. It's 斤. 斤 is a unit of weight. He, I, hai. Hai is used as an adverb, which means still. The right half of this word is a word 不. 不 in Chinese means no. In this picture, it looks like a palm, so you can imagine shake hands, say no. He, ao, hao. Hao, see this word. The left half is 女, that means a woman. And the right half is 子. Hao means good. Mo, ma, also as an empty word, appears at the end of the sentence, representing this sentence is to ask a question. Zui, jing, hai, hao, ma.
Okay, that's all. Everyone, don't forget to subscribe below if you found this useful. And if you do have any questions related to this class, please comment below because I would love to share more. See you next video.